Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So actually how to manage Google account. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down a little and tap on accounts. Now we have to tap on add account, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, in order to remove it, all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and if you are sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it. So well, actually that's all. This is how to add and remove a Google account from your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.